Kevin from J5 FireLids, bringing you another session from Business Inside the Bus. We doing installations for all of our universal fire helmets, which include Lion, Cairns, Bullard, and the Morning Pride Bend 2s. The products that you guys are going to need, obviously the J5 FireLids product. It has Velcro on the back with the intent to Velcro back onto itself once it wraps the helmet suspension on all of those helmets that we had mentioned. You're going to need a blank canvas helmet suspension that looks just like this. We do not recommend our product is used in conjunction or over any other existing helmet manufacturer crown pads. Okay, so for installation on this, you are going to access and line up your J5 in conjunction with these cross members of your helmet suspension. You're going to open your Velcro and you're going to simply just wrap around there, wrap it back on itself, dress up the suspension, and you're going to do this 3 more times. Wraps around, Velcro's back onto itself, top 2 are done. And for the final one. Dress it up, make sure it's nice and flat. All of J5 FireLids are hand wash, cold water, wring out like a sponge, lay flat to dry after you guys have any work for decon. Check us out on social media on our Instagram account at J5 FireLids, and check us out on our website, j5firelids.com.